welcome back to True Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some vanilla protein pancakes with a French vanilla frosting to go on top. It's a great treat to have for breakfast, after your workout, or any time of the day really. So it's simple, only a few ingredients. So we've got half a cup of egg whites, we've got a scoop of vanilla protein powder, the All Max All Way, as well as a quarter cup of oats is in the pancake itself. In the icing we've got half a cup of plain Greek yogurt right here, and then half a scoop of the vanilla protein as well. Just mix that up really good and it makes for a great topping. So I already pre-blended everything together. So you're going to spray your pan, and obviously you're going to cook it like you would a regular pancake. An option that you can do for these is you can take some cinnamon and sprinkle it on top. And watch it cook. So got one just finishing up here. As you can see, like a regular pancake. Take your icing that I made, put it on top. And as you can see, the macros, this is really good. I've broken them down. So in your pancake, you're gonna have 42 grams of protein. You're gonna have 3 grams of fat and only 18 grams of carbs. In the icing itself, it's 21 grams of protein, only 1 gram of fat, and 6 grams of carbs. So if you combine them together and you actually have it as a meal, you're gonna be totaling up at 53 grams of protein, only 4 grams of fat, and 24 grams of carbs. So again, a great tasty treat to have breakfast, after you work out, or any time you really wanna have that pancake. But yeah, so Mark, if you wanna come on in and try this out and let me know what you think. This one's got the icing on it for you. How's it?
Bueno.
Nice.
Very nice.
All right, enjoy guys, and stay tuned. Again, comment whatever recipe you want to see, and we'll make those next week for you on the True Kitchen. You can take that part out.
I can't take that out.